Hey guys, welcome to Teo's Take. Today I'm going to talk about another product. I have several tripods for my video work, my photography hobby and things like that. And this is another one. This is a selfie stick tripod for cell phones, cameras, and action cameras. I got this from Amazon under $30 and turns out to be a wonderful product. Can be used as a desktop tripod, standing tripod, or as a selfie stick. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in this beautiful little package. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Oh, very nice. It's a little product information document, single sheet. And this product currently very affordable. It's $29.99. And I think there's a 10% discount these days. Wow, fairly handy, easy to hold. And here's the remote. Very nice. On-off switch of the remote. It's a Bluetooth remote. And look at this 1/4-inch screw adjustment dial. Beautiful. And here's a cold shoe mount. Right here, only one side, not two sides. There are adjustments pretty much everywhere for every angle. Super nice. And here's the phone. There is no magnetic section over here to connect an iPhone with the MagSafe case or anything, but there's a very nice clamp type of mount which should easily accommodate an iPhone. And this is 360-degree adjustable. I can see this, like you can easily connect an iPhone Pro Max or one of those larger Android devices. I have an iPhone 13 Pro, which seems to fit with no problem whatsoever. Except I put the camera down, it should be the other way around. But anyway, you get the point. And also you can connect an Actioncam to this device. Let me go ahead and grab my DJI Osmo Action to see how that works. And yeah, this is an excellent product. Can be utilized. And here's that. This is made out of metal. 71-inch selfie stick mode. I'm going to close it as I go because I don't have 71 inches of screen space and this close. But anyway, excellent device. Look at this. It's a very stable. Very stable. Whoops. There goes my toy car. Very stable, you guys. Yeah, basically you fold this part down, tighten up, and it can accommodate a light on this little hot shoe. And I'm going to show you with my Insta360. There we go. The wheel underneath is a little bit tight, so it'll loosen up further as you use this. I'm going to remove the light for a second so I can use both sides of the wheel. Yeah, like so. And here comes the light. Perfect. So if you use this, I don't think it makes sense to use the light with the 360 camera, but if you use this as a one-sided action cam, this can be very helpful indoors or outdoors. Okay, and let me show you this with my Osmo Actioncam. You can even attach a DSLR to this. It's fairly sturdy. Alright, to use an action cam like this, you might need something like this, or if you have an adapter like this on the casing of your action cam, you can also utilize that. Here goes. Again, hot shoe mount works. Of course, I have other hot shoe mount options on the camera case too. So if you have something like this, you can even add multiple things like a microphone here, a light here, and any other stuff that you need. Wow, very impressive. Also, you know, DJI cameras, they have the remote option. This can be really good to add your phone like a monitor to operate with your DJI camera. Just thought about this. Yeah, this will be really, really cool for that. Because the camera on the DJI, the screen on the DJI camera is fairly small. About 2.5 inches here, and a front screen about 1 inch. So this will be really cool to have while you're recording, to control it, almost like an Osmo Pocket 3 style recording. All right, you guys, I'm very impressed with this. I think this is going to be my go-to tripod next time when I do some outdoor shooting or indoor desktop shooting. I'm even thinking about recording my next video with this tripod. Very, very sturdy, very solid. I mean, I like the legs, I like the versatility, pretty much everything. Perfect tripod. And a selfie stick, and a monopod, desktop tripod, standing tripod. It's like a Swiss Army knife of tripods. And I love the idea of having a hot shoe right here as well. And the phone mount, of course. All in all, this is an excellent product. And I'm going to go ahead and post an affiliate link in my description. So if you're interested in picking one of these up from Amazon, please go ahead and use that link. That way you'll be supporting my channel and getting a great deal. I think there's a discount right now, about 10%. Again, thanks for watching Teo's Take, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.